Hello and welcome to CMS Forex News. I'm CMS Market Analyst Nick Nassad. Today is Friday, September 19, 2008. A new plan to try and help rescue financial markets by taking on the toxic assets plaguing the U.S. financial sector and a decision by regulators to shield bank shares from short sellers spawned a rise in risk appetite Friday, knocking down the Japanese yen against the U.S. dollar. The broad-based plan will cost hundreds of billions of dollars and set up a government entity that will buy illiquid mortgage assets from financial institutions. The dollar-yen pair, from its low yesterday near 104, has seen a strong 400 pip climb in response to the government's plan. The pair tested resistance near the 108 level before turning back. Global stocks had strong rallies, and the Dow Jones soared 425 points to open today's trading, though it paired some of those initial gains. Other pairs benefiting from the increased risk appetite were the euro-yen and pound-yen. In this chart, we see that the pound-yen broke above resistance at 193 to climb to 197. That was almost a 550 pip difference between today's open and the intraday high. The London FTSE 100 was almost 9% higher today as investors' hopes rose that regulators and governments around the globe will find a solution to the current financial market trouble. The Euro-Swiss franc pair, which is a good indicator of carry trade sentiments in Europe, rallied 200 pips on the day, breaching 160 for the first time since Monday, before falling back to the 1.5960 area. The DJ Stoxx 600 index was up about 8%. The euro-dollar pair climbed 300 pips from its level near 1.4150, finishing the day near 1.4475. The value of the US dollar will be pressured by the long-term implications of the swelling of the country's debt as a result of all the spending to control the crisis. The US dollar-Canadian dollar had a strong move in favor of the loonie as oil prices climbed more than $6 to trade near $104.50 a barrel. From its level around the 1.0650 prior to the New York Open, the pair slid 150 pips to test 1.0450 in a volatile session. It was the first time the pair was below 1.0550 since August 29th. Next week starts with housing prices data from the UK and Bank of Japan minutes on Sunday, followed by retail sales from Canada on Monday. That is followed by preliminary manufacturing and services PMI data for the Eurozone and Germany. And that wraps up this week in the Forex markets. Join us next week right here at cmsfx.com and have a great weekend.